Hello YouTube. Today we're gonna look at how we can integrate uh, a ChatGPT API and actually talk with ChatGPT, um, and basically do that in Node. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I came over here on YouTube um, to find a tutorial on how to do it because I've been working with Node for a while, but I could not find anything substantial. Um, Everything is either too old or deprecated. Um, so it wasn't really working for me, or things are just irrelevant, you know. So here is my solution. I'm just gonna put it up with you guys, put it up there so that you guys can see what I did. And basically run this with NodeMon so that we know that there's no issues. Um, and basically, I went with the modular approach, so not using require anymore. For this, you can like look it up. You just have to come here and type this. Type is equal to module, and then you can make your imports with this import rather than using the more using the old way in which you had to like do it with require. So basically, all you need is OpenAI Express and .env, and just set up the server how you would, like literally like this, and then create your requests, um, and basically just start listening um, on some port wherever you want. So this is exactly what I did, and I created a request, and the API key, of course, I wanted to put it in the env file, which I'm not going to show you, but this is the name of the API key variable that's holding the key for me. Um, Other than this, I don't really think that I need to talk about anything else, and basically this is how you do it. I just created a post request on whatever URL I want it to be on. And the model I'm using is 3.5 Turbo. In the messages is where you basically type uh, what you're trying to do and you give a role and content. So here I'm asking it to write me a story about Harry Potter uh, with the constraint that it can only be 50 words long. So if I get a response, I'm basically logging that in the console, um, and sending the response back in the data. So I'm just going to show you that in Postman, which I've already done. Um, so this is basically the bare bone structure that you need, and you don't even need this like try catch or if else or whatever, just to try it out or integrate it, just to get a bare bones working. All you need is basically you need to get client, and client you basically get that from OpenAI. Um, and then you do .chat, .completions, .create, and you basically in this object create a model and message, and that's basically what you're sending to ChatGPT, and basically you get a response, and that's how it's working. So nothing too fancy, but nobody else had done it, so I just wanted to put a tutorial out there for you guys. Um, and so basically here you can see that it's working, and I get a response saying GPTing and success true. Um, yeah, and basically here we can see, um, yeah, interesting that the role is now assistant. I don't know what this is, but basically we see a response about Harry Potter and whatever. Um, I'm gonna try and change this. Write me a story about um Kung Fu Panda or something. Um, and hopefully it works. So, okay, so Po the Panda loved Kung Fu, but whatever. So, essentially it's working and everything's going all fine. Um, so yeah, that's about it. The code you can find on GitHub in the description of this video. Yeah, that's about it.